Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 5 and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, you will want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. From here, using volume keys to navigate, you want to select recovery mode. So you can see recovery mode and then confirm it with power key. Now you should see Android with no command. This is page right here. So once you see this one, hold power key, press volume up once, and this will take you to the recovery mode where you will find Fastboot mode. So it's a third option, and again, using volume keys, you want to scroll down to select it and then confirm it with power key the same way. And there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot into it. And you can navigate to this simple menu that is right here, the same way as you did in the recovery mode and the previous mode, using volume keys and power key confirm whatever is selected. And in here we also have a couple options. So we have reboot system, which will take us back to Android, enter recovery mode, which just goes back to the previous page, then enter or reboot to bootloader is the first page that we entered after turning off the device, and then we have simple power off. Now if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is select reboot system now, confirm it, and this will take us back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.